Let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin real quick. All right, so we're on the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday's video, we were watching this resistance, this trend line going to the downside until we break this downtrend going up. Then I was saying it's possible that we can continue to head down. The other thing that I was looking at is this Fibonacci retracement level at .248. I was thinking if we break below it, we kind of did, but we didn't stay below it. If we continue to go down though, the next spot that I'd be looking at is .185. I'm not super confident on that one, but let's see what happens. We got some support right here though, and we're kind of trending up, but we still have to deal with this trend line. Are we gonna break through there, or let's draw that trend line right here because technically we are finding some support and bouncing to the upside. Let's see what happens today, actually probably in the next couple hours. Are we going to go to the upside or go to the downside? Are we going to break this support going to the downside, or are we going to break that resistance and push up? If we start pushing up, I'm still kind of skeptical on it. I don't know. We'll see. I have a feeling it's going to go to the downside, but that's just like my gut feeling. I don't know. Let's see if we can break up though. If we are able to hold support here and break to the upside, maybe we can start shooting for the next Fibonacci retracement level at .294. But like I said, I'm very skeptical on that. I'm kind of really not sure what's going to happen, but like I said, I think what I'm thinking is it's going to break to the downside, and either we're going to hold support on this Fibonacci retracement level like we have been, or like I said, if we really break through it going to the downside, the next spot that I'll be looking at is down here. The other thing that we were looking at on yesterday's video though, if we go to the daily time frame, we have this falling channel pattern. Oops, I'm on the wrong chart. Hold on. It's the same thing, but I was just looking at the wrong. There's a lot of lines on that chart. Hold on. Okay, let's start again. We have this falling channel, resistance, support. This was the other pattern that I was looking at yesterday, that falling channel pattern. Technically, we are trending down, and until we break this trend line going to the upside, then that's when we could really start getting bullish and targeting the previous resistances. But yeah, until then, maybe it's possible we do something like this. I don't know. Like I was saying, if we could hold support on this Fibonacci retracement level though, maybe we could bounce and start pushing up to something like that. The way I got these Fibonacci retracement levels is with the Fibonacci retracement tool. We have a big run. Once we start topping out, then we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool, drag from the bottom of the run to the top of the run, and then that gives me those levels to watch. A lot of times they act as support and resistance. I mean, yeah, sometimes not perfectly, but like in this one it was perfect, and this one it was kind of perfect as well. Let's see if we go hold support right here though. And like I was saying, if we break it going to the downside, I'll look at the next one going down. If we hold support on it here and start moving up, I'll look at the next ones going up. That's kind of the way I approach that. I think that's about it though for today, guys. I'm kind of, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Let me know what you guys are thinking though. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you want to watch the last video, check it out right here. If you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here. See you guys in the next one.